subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and don't forget to share my videos to your friends. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Possible with Prakhya. I'm Prakhya and in today's video I will be reviewing this amazing book, Calvin and Hobbes. This was a comic strip. Later it was turned into a book. This book is written by Bill Watterson. This book revolves around the life of a 6-year-old naughty mischievous boy named Calvin, and this is Hobbes, his stuffed tiger. This book revolves on the life of Calvin and Hobbes, how there are conversation between them and their friendship. My favorite character in this book is Susie Durkins. This is Susie Durkins, Calvin's friend and also his neighbor. Susie Durkins always fights with Calvin. I love the part when they fight. Bill Watterson stopped drawing these comics in the year 1995. He told that he felt he has achieved what he could in these past years. I love this book, and this book contains fantasy genre. I can recommend this book for advanced readers as the words are little complex in these books. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.